Namaste everyone. I welcome you to my channel Pratibha with Biotechnology. Today in this video, we'll be going through molecular biology question and answers from 4th semester paper. Let us go to the first question, SSB. SSB means single strand DNA binding protein. It's a protein found in Escherichia coli bacteria that binds to single stranded regions of deoxyribonucleic acid. Single stranded DNA is produced during all aspects of DNA metabolism, replication, recombination, and repair, as well as stabilizing this single stranded DNA. SSB proteins binds to and modulate the function of numerous proteins involved in all of these processes. If you write this answer for 2 marks, this is more than enough. If you know any other points, you can add here. Okay. Now let us go to the next question, helicase. Helicases are a class of enzymes vital to all organisms. Their main functions is to unwind an organism's genes. They are motor proteins that move directionally along a nucleic acid phosphodiester backbone, separating two annealed nucleic acid strands such as DNA and RNA, hence helic plus ase, using energy from ATP hydrolysis. Who proposed semi-conservative mode of replication? Watson and Crick proposed the semi-conservative mode of replication. In the semi-conservative hypothesis proposed by Watson and Crick, the two strands of DNA molecule separate during replication. Each strand then acts as a template for the synthesis of a new strand. Tata box. The Tata box, also called the Goldberg-Hugeness box, or in short, Hugeness box, is a sequence of DNA found in the core promoter region of genes in archaea and eukaryotes. The Tata box is considered a non-coding DNA sequence, also known as cis-regulating element. It was termed the Tata box as it contains a consensus sequence characterized by repeating T and A base pairs. Exons. Exon is in any part of a gene that will encode a part of the final mature RNA produced by that gene after introns have been removed by RNA splicing. The term exon refers to both the DNA sequence within a gene and to the corresponding sequence in RNA transcripts. In RNA splicing, introns are removed and exons are covalently joined to one another as part of generating the mature messenger RNA. Citron is a segment of DNA that is equivalent to a gene and that specifies a single functional unit as a protein or enzyme. The word cistern is used to emphasize that genes exhibit a specific behavior in a cis-trans rest. Distinct positions or loci within a genome are cistronic. Gene regulation is the process of controlling which genes in a cell's DNA are expressed, that is used to make a functional product such as protein. It includes a wide range of mechanisms that are used by cells to increase or decrease the production of specific gene products, that is protein or RNA. Transduction is the process by which foreign DNA is introduced into a cell by a virus or viral vector. An example is a viral transfer of DNA from one bacterium to another, and hence an example of horizontal gene transfer. The transduction does not require physical contact between the cell donating the DNA and the cell receiving the DNA. Cap structure. All eukaryotic mRNA contains a cap structure, an N7-methylated guanosine linked to the first nucleotide of the RNA. The 5' cap is specially altered nucleotide on the 5' end RNA. It is vital in the creation of stable and mature messenger RNA able to undergo translation during protein synthesis. aDNA is one of the possible double helical structures which DNA can adopt. It is the right-handed double helix similar to bDNA form, but with a shorter, more compact helical structure. The base pairs are not perpendicular to the helix axis as in bDNA. It was discovered by Rosalind Franklin. Excision repair. Excision repair is a cellular mechanism that repairs damaged DNA throughout the cell cycle. It includes base excision repair and nucleotide excision repair. Base excision repair is responsible primarily for removing small non-helix distorting base lesions from the genome. In nucleotide excision repair, in short NER, damaged bases are cut out within a string of nucleotides and replaced with DNA as directed by the undamaged template strand. What are competent cells? Competent cells are the E. coli cells incorporate foreign DNA if their cell walls are altered so that DNA can pass through more easily. Such cells are said to be competent. Cells are made competent by a process that uses calcium chloride and heat shock. Now let us go to the next question, Chargaff's rule. Chargaff's rule states that DNA from any cell of any organism should have 1:1 ratio base pair rule of pyrimidine and purine bases, and more specifically that the amount of guanine should be equal to cytosine and the amount of adenine should be equal to thymine. This pattern is found in both strands of DNA. They were discovered by Erwin Chargaff in the year 1940. SD sequence or Shine-Dalgarno sequence is a ribosomal binding site in bacterial and archaeal messenger RNA. It is generally located around 8 bases upstream of the start codon AUG. The RNA sequence helps recruit the ribosome to the messenger RNA to initiate protein synthesis by aligning the ribosome with the start codon. RNA as genetic material. Like DNA, RNA can carry genetic information or genetic material, right? The RNA viruses have genomes composed of RNA, that is ribose nucleic acid, that encodes a number of proteins. The viral genome is replicated by some of these proteins, while other proteins protect the genome as the virus particle moves to a new host cell. What is the other name of transposons? Transposons are also called transposable elements and jumping genes or jumping genes. What is splicing? RNA splicing is a process that removes the intervening non-coding sequences of genes, that is introns. Introns mean that is the I. I you need to remove. I brings the ego. So I you need to remove. I is the non-coding sequences from pre-mRNA and joins the protein coding sequences, that is exons, together in order to enable translation of mRNA into a protein. Supercoiled DNA. The DNA supercoiling refers to the over or underwinding of DNA strand and is an expression of the strain on that strand. A supercoiled form of DNA is the one in which a double helix is further twisted about itself, forming tightly coiled structure. A double helix of DNA undergoes additional twisting in the same direction from the turns in the original helix. Supercoiling results when DNA is subject to some form of structural strain. A strain is introduced first, the DNA to induce supercoiling. The most common original double-stranded DNA found in nature will be in form right-handed double helix, that is 10 to 10.5 base pair per turn. But the underwound state occurs when fewer helical per turn than normal B form. The cell maintains the DNA in underwound state to facilitate its compaction by coiling and enable the enzyme responsible for DNA metabolism to separate DNA strand. This state causes the molecule to be strained. The strain is accomplished by coiling of the axis of DNA on itself to form supercoil. Negative supercoiling involves twisting against the helical conformation, twisting in the left-handed fashion, which preferentially underwinds and straightens the helix at low twisting stress and knots the DNA into negative supercoils at high twisting stress. Positive supercoiling, where DNA occurs when the right-handed double helical conformation of DNA is twisted even tighter, twisted in a right-handed fashion until the helix begins to distort and knot. Supercoiling is based on the concept of linking number, that is L, which is defined as the total number of times that the two strands of double helix of a closed molecule cross over each other. L is equal to T plus W. L means that's the linking number. That is number of times that the two strands of double helix of a closed molecule cross over each other. That is T plus W. T is equal to twist, total number of turns of duplex with turning of the axis helix in the space. Functions are supercoiling, genome packing, gene expression, and DNA RNA synthesis. Here you can see the coiling, then supercoil, then positive supercoiling, relaxed DNA without supercoils, negative supercoiling. And here you can see this is the supercoils, right? And this is the just a relaxed one, okay, relaxed DNA. Then here you can see the negative supercoiling, and this is the positive supercoiling. Chagraph rules already told, so I'll not repeat here. I'll go for only for this, the second point. Molar amount of adenine is always equal to the molar amount of thymine. Similarly, molar concentration of guanine is equaled by molar concentration of cytosine. That is 1:1 ratio. Sugar deoxyribose and phosphate occur in equimolar proportions. AT base pairs are rarely equal to CG base pairs. The ratio of AT-GC is variable but constant for a species. It can be used to identify the source of DNA. The ratio is low in primitive organisms and higher in advanced ones. Who proposed the cloverleaf model of tRNA? Robert Hall proposed the cloverleaf model for the first time in the year 1968. What is lagging strand? Lagging strand is one of two strands of DNA found at the replication fork or junction, the double helix. The other strand is leading strand. A lagging strand requires a slight delay before undergoing replication, and it must undergo replication discontinuously in small fragments. What is renaturation? Renaturation in molecular biology refers to the reconstruction of a protein or nucleic acid such as DNA to their original form, especially after denaturation. This process is therefore the inverse of denaturation. In denaturation, the proteins or nucleic acids lose their native biomolecular structure. Reconstructing the denatured nucleic acid or protein into its original form is done by the process of renaturation. For instance, a heat denatured DNA can revert to its original form by coiling slowly the two strands and then reform into its original double-stranded helix. Defined promoters give example. A promoter, a region of DNA where transcription of a gene is initiated. Promoters are a vital component of expression vectors because they control the binding of RNA polymerase to DNA to initiate transcription. RNA polymerase transcribes the DNA to mRNA, which is ultimately translated into a functional protein. Thus, the promoter region controls when and where in the organism your gene of interest is expressed. Example, Tata box or Pribno box or GC box or cat box. Tata box can also be known as Hogness box. Spliceosomes. Most eukaryotic genes are expressed as precursor mRNAs, that is pre-mRNAs that are converted into mRNA by splicing, an essential step of a gene expression in which uncoding sequences, that is introns, are removed and coding sequences, exons, are ligated together. A spliceosome is a large and complex molecular machine found primarily within the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. The spliceosome is assembled from small nuclear RNAs, in short snRNA, and approximately 80 proteins can be seen. Whereas some exons are constitutively spliced, that is, they are present in every mRNA produced from a given pre-mRNA. Many are alternatively spliced to generate variable forms of mRNA from a single pre-mRNA species. Alternative splicing is prevalent in higher eukaryotes and it enhances their complexity by increasing the number of unique proteins expressed from a single gene. Topoisomerase are the enzyme that regulate the overwinding or unwinding of DNA, act on the topology of DNA. The winding problem of DNA arises due to the intertwined nature of its double helical structure. During DNA replication and transcription, DNA becomes overwound ahead of a replication fork. If left unvetted, this torsion would eventually stop the ability of RNA and DNA polymerase involved in these processes to continue down the DNA strand. Topoisomerases bind to either single-stranded or double-stranded DNA and cut the phosphate backbone of the DNA. This intermediate break allows the DNA to be untangled or unwound, and at the end of these process, the DNA backbone is released again. Here you could see the topoisomerase first breaks only one strand, topoisomerase second breaks both the strand. So these are the two types of topoisomerase. Topoisomerase first are enzymes that cut only one of the two strands of double-stranded DNA and relax the DNA strand. Type 2 topoisomerases cut both strands of the DNA helix simultaneously. They use the hydrolysis of ATP, unlike type 1 topoisomerase. The enzyme change the linking number of circular DNA. Functions of topoisomerases are like to remove DNA supercoiling during transcription and DNA regulation, for strand breakage during recombination, for chromosome condensation, to disentangle intervened DNA during mitosis. Describe different forms of DNA. B form of DNA. B DNA is more hydrated and most frequently found DNA in living cells. It is physiologically and biologically active form. However, it can get changed into other forms. Right-handed DNA is known to change temporarily into the left-handed form, at least for a short distance. Such changes may cause changes in gene expression. It is the most stable configuration. It can be purified when the relative humidity is 92% in the medium. The P form of DNA was explained by Watson and Crick. It is a long thinner with 3.4 angstrom thick. The purines and pyrimidines are stalked perpendicular to the helical axis. The diameter of the axis helix is 20 angstrom. These are 10 bases per turn of the helix. The pitch of the helix is 34 angstrom. A form of DNA. DNA can undergo reversible conformational change and give rise to A form upon dehydration. It predominates if relative humidity is 75%. The diameter of the helix is 25 angstrom. There are 11 base pairs per turn. The raise per base pair 28 angstrom, that is per 11, 1 per turn, is less than in bDNA. Salient features of aDNA. aDNA goes into creation of 6 angstrom cylindrical hole at the center of the helix. The diameter of helix is 25.5 angstrom and accommodate 11 base pairs per turn of the helix. The pitch per turn of the helix is 24.6 angstrom. Z form of DNA, zigzag DNA, a purine pyrimidine residues. The glycosidic bond can be in one of two conformations called syn and anti. Salient features of DNA, 12 base pairs can be seen with the each helical turn of 37 angstrom. It is found in natural samples when a dinucleotide repeats are present, such as deoxy CG. zDNA formation of zDNA is solvent dependent. The DNA can acquire zDNA conformation in presence of alcohol, along with very high ionic strength. This was discovered by A. Wang and Alexander Rich 25 years after the discovery of the Watson-Crick structure. It is a left-handed helix of a bizarre conformation. This is due to zigzag arrangement of phosphate ribose backbone. This is due to presence of alternative ones also. It has very deep major groove and very shallow minor groove, which is giving appearance of zigzag arrangement. Hope you have understood today's concept. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, signing off for today. Okay, I'll be back with another video. Thank you for your support.